What's up, guys? It's Silo's Garage. Today we're going to be doing a little POV here on me drifting. I will have gameplay in a different video. But right now this is just what it looks like currently drifting and how much movement I'm having to do to the wheel and pedals. You won't be able to see the pedals just yet, but here we go anyway. I'm practically staying in third gear. The car that I'm driving is a Silvia S15 with a, I believe a racing four-rotor engine swap. I forgot the horsepower. I thought it's 713 or something. It's a drift missile. It's actually not hard at all to handle. It's actually super easy. It's my best drift car of all time in the game. Most easy. If you guys want a tune, or if you want the tuning number, I'll give it to you, or whatever. Just let me know in the chat. My drifting is not going to be good in the next video. I just got on here like a little while ago. I really need to warm up before I start actually drifting, but considering I'm just being quick with you guys. I really hope this is getting all the footage, because I have this camera weirdly angled. Sorry. I have no idea how much it's gonna get, and I hope it gets at least some of it, because I want to show you guys how like drifting is in this game. Alrighty guys, I guess I'll end this little video thing here. I hope you guys were able to see that, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, so I'll see you next time.